afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a itty bitty Ross haul that I did yesterday, and just wanted to grab some shorts for the spring and summer. Realized I ain't had no shorts, so I went and decided to go to the store to see if I could find some and show you the other items I also picked up. How are you guys doing for the month of May? You guys are doing fine. Sorry if I moved you guys way too much, but the bags were right behind the camera. It's two little bags, so I'll start with the shorts. The main reason for me going to Ross was to get some shorts, and I found some really cute shorts. These are just the regular denim Levi's. This is a size 8. It's a cute cutout. It's a nice color. This is perfect. I'll be wearing this all spring and summer long. Oh, and that cost $9.99. That was $9.99. Here are another short set. Here, these are the Gray's twill shorts, roll-up cuffs. Got these in a size 10. And this was for $6.99. It's just a nice beige color with a nice floral pattern on it. So I thought that was cute. And it was $6.99. And this one here, I also enjoyed. I love this color, by the way. This is super cute. Love the length. And this is, what is it? This is Hayden Bermuda. This is in a size 8. And this is just this pretty teal color that I love. It's just perfect for spring and summer. Alright. My last bag for Ross. Mother's Day is right around the corner, so I went to pick up some bags for Mother's Day. I went and got this beautiful, I can't process anything today. What do you call them things again? French? That's not the name, but here is this beautiful color with the gold steams across it, and then I got the ones with the floral design. Let me turn it this way so you can see it. And my favorite is this one here. This is bright pink. Alright. And that was it, you guys. My very short trip to Ross. Just wanted to show you guys what I had picked up really quick. Hope you guys are having a good month of May. What are you guys doing for Mother's Day? Yes. Let me know. Write something down below letting me know what you guys are planning to do for Mother's Day. I'm doing a cookout. I'll be on the grill. I'm going to be a chef. See, got my chef gear on. I'll be cooking and grilling on that day, and everybody will just be home. We don't like doing the restaurants anymore, being out there with all of the chaos. I normally just make sure we eat home, and everybody, the kids are comfortable. Everybody's home. We'll just relax together. Everybody, in-laws, sister, mom, everybody just get together and we'll just enjoy ourselves in the house. Alright, you guys, continue on being a blessing to others. Do let me know what you guys are planning to do, or what you guys are planning to buy your mom or your wife, and so on and so forth for Mother's Day, or what kind of tradition you guys normally have for Mother's Day as well. Alright, continue on being a blessing to others, and I will catch you guys on the next video.